Simple formula, theta is 1000 e power kt, where k is a constant and t is the time in minutes from the metal block, blah, 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 blah. Right, so, what's the temperature at the beginning? 1000, that's fine, and that's already in the formula. So, what's our first job? To find the k. Oh. I'm so tired. That doesn't feel like it's worth my energy to do. A1 theta, which is going to be equal to what is it, 780? And what's the t? 8, isn't it? I got k is minus 0.0311. What's the unit, by the way? Okay. No, there is a unit for k, actually, yeah. No, there is a unit for k, man. What is it?
No unit.
Just because it's not in the marking scheme doesn't mean that there's no unit. There is a unit for k.
Wait, I know this.
Go on.
Per second.
I almost have it.
Second per minute. Why is it per minute?
Because the time unit is minutes. And you need it to be per minute to cancel the minutes and the time.
Continuous per minute. Okay.
Moving swiftly on. What's the derivative when t is 28? So what's the derivative here? Well, the derivative would be...
8,000.
Yeah, it would be... It'd be 8,000, wouldn't it? Yeah, it'd be 8,000 e power k t. And what's the t? 28. This feels too easy. E power minus answer times...
What is that 8,000?
8 times 1,000. Bring the 8 down.
Why did you bring the 8 down?
You're right, that's ridiculously wrong. Tekken. Why did you tell me 8,000? Tekken.
That was weird.
Yeah, you should be. You confused me. Alright. So that would be minus 1, 2, 3. 31.1 e to the minus 0.031128. This is the derivative here. Right, let's try it again, Tekken. E power minus 0.0311 times 28 times minus 31.1 and you get minus 13.012. So 13.0 units.
I think,
Celsius.
yes.
Per
time. Per minute.
Per minute. Right.
But you didn't put any marks for the unit.
I know, but we're being better than that, okay? Right, B1. What's the x here? Well, it's 8 power x is 2.
1/3.
Yeah, 2 cubed x is 2. Which is 1. So then that means 2, 3x is 2, 1. So 3x equals 1. So as you said, x is 1/3.
Yes.
And then part 2, is it 1?
X plus 2 must be...
Yeah, it has to be 1. No, well, look, this thing here has to be 1 because if you cancel out the 2's.
Yeah.
So how do you make a log? That means the inside must be 3. So x must be 1. So you can solve.
I've got.
Hang on. Does that say 5 beside that?
Yes, exactly. I got x minus this equals minus 5 and x equals
You got x minus 5? That answer has to be rejected because you'll get a log of minus 3. What's his answer?
Okay, the same thing, but you put in bracket, ignore the minus 5.
Yeah, that's right. Did I just get 5 marks for writing that?
Yes. No. Because it says you must factorize, you must set it equals to 0. So basically, you can't do shortcut.
Why not? It's not a shortcut. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. Tell me what statement I'm making that is wrong. Okay. I divide both sides by 2.
Yes.
So this must equal 1.
Yes.
So that means 3 to the power of 1 must equal x plus 2. That's the definition of log. That 3 to this power makes this. So then x is 1. So what's he getting this equals 0? Oh wait, I know what he did. He brought the 2 up to the top. Well, that was stupid. That just made it much more difficult. You did that? I'm so sorry to hear that. But when you look at that, do you not see a perfect chance to cancel the 2?
Because when I see that should be 2, so the bracket square should be 9. So.
I don't know. I like my way for 5 marks. Let me circle that question as being of particularly weirdness. On my book here. Give me a pen.
Oh.
Thank you. That's weird. That's ridiculous. C.
Yes.
It's just a trig question, is it? This is 30. This is 24 meters. And the area is 108 meters squared. Find the length of AC. So we'll call this side X, okay? So a half AB sine C equals the area. So I can get the area now.
What the area was given.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the problem? Okay, great. So I got here the x is equal to 18 meters. How can I find this length here? I'll call it y. How can I find y? Use that's right, y squared equals x squared plus 24 squared minus twice 18, 24, 30. So I got y is 12.3 meters. Is that right?
Yes.
And the next part is they want the shortest distance. So they want you to calculate the distance from they want the distance from here, this one here. Now if I look at this one, I can think of this as being an area problem. So if you look at this side as being the base, what's the formula for the area? A half the base, which is 18, times the height, which is what I want. That should equal to 8. Is the answer 12? And finally, D, sine P equals 12 over 37. Find the value of cos P. Now you know that's acute, so which quadrant is it in? First, second, third, or fourth? It's in this quadrant, isn't it? So if you draw the triangle, this is 12, this is 37. Square root 37 squared minus 12 squared, that's 35. Cos P is 35 over 37. Is it the last one 35 over 37? Yes, it is.
B3. Legend of
Guardians of B3.